This tutorial will walk you through the process of adding a new employee in Axis Herm. Log in to the system with the respective login credentials. Go to the Herm module. Click on New Employee. For Step 1, enter the personal details of the employee. The columns marked in red are mandatory. Click on Next to proceed to the next step. Enter the ID details. Proceed to the next step. Enter the payment details. Proceed to the next step. Now, enter the job details. As for the next step, enter the salary details. Proceed to the next step. Enter the emergency contact details. Once that is done, click on Submit. From navigating to specific sections to entering detailed employee information, this guide covered the step-by-step process of adding a new employee on AxisPro. Ensure a seamless onboarding experience for new hires by following these precise instructions.